Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing my Draw So Cute Rapunzel from Tangled 2021. So let's get started. So firstly, grab a pencil or a piece of paper and start drawing. So firstly, you want to turn a piece of paper like this, so you have more space for you to draw. So first, I'll be drawing her face. So go right here. Okay, it's okay when you get mistakes, just erase it. Okay, and I want you not to put so close to the edge because we're going to do her hair too. And Rapunzel's hair is really long, so we will be doing her hair, okay? Really long. So you might want to start a dot here and like a big U, and then start. Okay, so I see the mistake what I've done. Okay, then just want to thin up this line a bit, thin it up. Okay, now as usual we just gotta go on her eyes. Okay, first go here, big circle, small circle. Now just go in circle. And then go put some lines. Okay, so eyelashes, don't forget too. Now we're going to do the other side. Small and big. And start. And then teeny lines. And don't forget her eyelashes. Okay. Now her smile. Okay. So first, start a dot here. We're gonna do her hair now. So we're gonna go here and here. Okay. Here, like a zigzag like this. Okay. Okay, then after that you're done, you're gonna leave it there first. Now we're gonna go to the second part, which is just this. Okay, and then we just wanna, okay, after we done that, we're gonna go in. Wait, don't do that first. Okay, and then go in here, okay, like that. Okay, then after that put here. First I would like to go here because this part is easy. Okay, then after that we gotta go in a circle. Okay, guess what is that? Yes, the ears. Okay, so we done the ears already. Now we're going to go to the other pair of ears. Okay, now this is a bit hard. I want your this to go in like this. Okay, okay. Then after that, go in here. Okay, and then go here. Okay, you might think that was not hard at all. What are you talking? I know, but it's hard for some people. Okay, so I'm gonna, and I'm just erasing because sometimes some Rapunzel's hair is not so flat. It's big, right? I mean, she has a lot of hair, so she might be having. Okay. Oops, I forgotten. Yes, don't forget to this one too. Okay, now the first part of the hair is done, but I'm gonna try to do like the Rapunzel got the flowers hair, so start by doing this. Yeah, and just try to fill all the gap here. Here too. And if you don't want to do this, feel free not to do it, okay? It's just there just for the people who wants to try this out. Okay? So now you gotta go here. Here. Okay? And wait. Okay. Okay, first we do this. Then don't go first. Rapunzel got this fluffy thing coming out of her chest. So her arm. So we are going to do that also, okay? Okay. After that, just going to do one dot here. And okay. Then just go. Oops. Oh my god. It's harder if it looks. Okay. You guys probably cannot see. Do a dot here. Does not feel so good, right? So harder than it looks. Okay, that is perfect. Okay, and then go here, go a little up. Okay, that part, just go a little bit up. Okay, this part, go here, and here. Okay, now this part we are done, okay? But I'm gonna do more details, but first I'm gonna do her other dress, her skirt. I know it's a dress, but just wanna see it. So okay, my black was out, so I had to do another one. Okay. Now I'm going to go here. Okay. 10 already. This is perfect. And then just go noble. Okay. Okay. So this is done. Okay. Now time for the trickiest part. What they call that? I don't know how to call it, but I think you guys know. Okay, so firstly, zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in for you to see. Okay, firstly, I want you to go, guys, do this, okay? And then this. I want you to do the other one the same. Okay. And it's okay if it's not the same. Okay. Oh my god. Then after that, you're gonna go here, and then okay. After that, we're gonna go in here. Okay. Then here. And then we're gonna go here and here and here. Okay, you guys maybe think, huh? Her hand's so tiny? No, we still have some more. That is just the thing that she everything said. Now this is okay. I know it looks like something else, but at least you have to try. Okay, maybe I'll do it like this. First this, then this, and then this. Okay? Is that okay? Then now we got to do the other one. First a straight line, curly things, and then okay. So now we have done that. I'm gonna decorate her dress first, her beautiful dress. So first I'll come in here and okay, after that part we gotta go in like this. Okay, then I want you guys to put it like this and like this, like a upside down hat. Then do it again. Okay, then one string here, one string there, put another string, another string. There you have it, a bow. Now I'm gonna come here again. Okay, then come here. Okay, that's. And if you want to wear like some decoration in the flowers or inside the dress also got flowers, stuff, feel free to do that. But I'm gonna just follow the same thing. Okay? Okay. So do not write in this place. Do not draw in this place. Okay, I just got a circle, but you don't circle, okay? If you're using a pen or pencil, pen, marker, Sharpie, do not do the circle, okay? This do not, okay? This place do not draw the leg, okay? I repeat, do not draw the leg. This is where the hair is gonna be, okay? People with pencil can draw if they want to follow me every single way. So yeah, pencil, Sharpie, and pen cannot just do this. I'm just telling you that cannot draw leg here, okay? Okay, now we gotta draw the leg. Okay. Go here, here, and here. Go here. Okay. Okay. So we done her dress first. Now we gotta start doing her hair. So first I'm gonna go in first here and then here. Then I'm gonna then come in here, then here, then here, then here, then here, Okay, this part will come here, then here, then here. Okay, and then just this one part here, and yeah, then here. Okay, then maybe this. Okay, so now we can draw some flowers. You can even decorate with stars or anything you want. Even hearts you can, but I would like it as the star. Or you can put roses too. Okay, put like this, and like this. I try my best to put roses. Okay, I'm gonna put roses too. Here. Here. So just go on, keep on. Okay, and don't forget here also. So I'm just gonna put roses all over here. And also if you want to put some, okay, that is a small teeny tiny flower. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment below what Disney princesses should I make next. Moana, Ariel, anything else. Okay, Sleeping Beauty, just type in the description below. Okay, see you next time. Bye.